Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and studying regularly. Okay, so in this video, we will be discussing our next one, that is SDG 7, Sustainable Development Goal 7, which is affordable and clean energy. Okay. So let us study about the challenge first. So there is no development without fueling the engine of growth. Energy is critical and people with no sustainable access to energy are deprived of the opportunity to become part of national and global progress. And yet, 1 billion people around the world live without access to the energy. Almost 3 billion people, 41% of the world's population, do not have access to clean fuels and technologies for cooking. So let us see that why is it important. So energy is central to nearly every major challenge the world faces today, that is security, climate change, food production, jobs, or increasing incomes. Sustainable energy generates opportunity, it transforms lives, economies, and the planet. There are tangible health benefits to having access to electricity and a demonstrable improvement in well-being. Energy access therefore constitutes a core component of the Sustainable Development Agenda for energy. The production of usable energy can also be a source for climate change, accounting for around 60% of the total global greenhouse gas emission. Okay, so now let us see that how can we address it. Okay, so goal 7 of SDGs aims to correct this enormous imbalance by ensuring everyone has access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services by the year 2030. To expand energy access, it is crucial to enhance energy efficiency and to invest in renewable energy. Asia has been the driver of progress in this area, expanding access at twice the rate of demographic growth. 72% of the increase in energy consumption from modern renewable sources between 2010 and 2012 came from the developing regions, including part of Asia. Energy from renewable resources, that is wind, water, solar, biomass, and geothermal energy, is inexhaustible and clean. Although the solution for energy's climate crisis lies off-grid, renewable energy currently constitute only 15% of the global energy mix. It is a time for a new global partnership on sustainable energy for all, guided by Sustainable Development Goal 7 on universally accessible, efficient, clean, and reliable energy sources and services. Okay. Now let us check this in context of India. So India is projected to be a significant contributor to the rise in global energy demand, around 1/4 of the total. According to the 2013-14 figure, the total installed capacity for electricity generation in India registered a compound annual growth rate of 7%. However, as of 2015, 237 million people in India still do not have access to the electricity. Okay. The government has also been working tirelessly in this area, and some of the major initiatives that were taken by the government in this area are: first one is Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana, second National Solar Mission, providing continuous power supply to rural India. Third, India's new energy policy. And fourth, power electrification of the remaining 20,000 villages, including off-grid solar power by 2020. Okay, so that was it for this SDG 7, affordable and clean energy. In the next class, we are going to discuss about SDG 8, that is decent work and economic growth. So thank you guys for watching. Have a safe day and healthy life. Okay guys, bye.